Hello, this is Homesteading Northwest Florida, and today is August 1st at like 6:45 p.m. Let's see what the temperature is. It says it is 94 degrees. It was 102 in my thermometer out here today. So thank God I did the burn barrel yesterday. But I'm going to show you how I plan to repair the engine wiring harness on this car. This is a old Lexus 2002 Toyota Lexus LS430. And it's got a really big engine cover on it. Perfect for a rat to hide underneath. And that's just what they did. We had like a rat infestation around here. I don't know why. I got back and there was a lot of brush and the water. I started watering things and I didn't think to move this car or check underneath here, but the rat ripped up. They love this kind of material in here, this fuzzy stuff, so they can rip it apart and make a nest. So I found a nest with a Celica pear, a wild invasive pear tree that ripped apart my wires here. So before I start this project, I'm going to show you everything that I ordered to do this repair, and I'm going to do one connector at a time and replace the wires on every connector and join them in here, and hopefully we're going to be working on this for a couple days and have a fix soon. But in the south or anywhere, you really don't want the engine cover on the motor because it's big and it's got materials that they like to rip apart and you can't see what's going on. I mean, this thing covers the whole. This is a giant engine cover. It's about 2 feet across and 20 inches the other way. It's a very large engine cover that makes it very hard to inspect things. Here, I got to put that down. Yeah, big engine cover. It's not on there anymore, and it's going to be put away and never go on here until I would sell it. So that's what's going on. And yeah, the sun's at a really, and I'm putting solar lights with the hood open. Solar lights. It's not going to rain, and even when it does rain, yeah, so we got solar lights with the hood open. We're going to have to test them tonight. And this one, I ripped the hood heat shield off of here because they were peeing all over that and ripping that apart. And I repaired these wires in some of the similar fashion that I'm going to do these. But this, because there were so many wires missing and gone here, I have some of the connectors. Like here's an Lexus Toyota ignition coil connector. But I ordered off of eBay a wiring harness from a Toyota Celica. What was it, like a 2000 or something? An older Toyota Celica. So I'm going to start ripping this thing apart and harvesting the connections and the wires if they're good. It's all going to be inspected. So, and on first, I got the connectors here. I got them from Corsa Technic in Fredonia, Wisconsin. And the pins that I'm going to be using are the TS090 SKTI T1 Toyota pins for 22 to 20 AWG wire. Oh no, okay, no, we're going to be using the TS090 SKT2. That is going to be for the little bit thicker wire. Yeah. But anyhow, you cut these off of this sheet like this. This all I did not know. and you depin the connector, and you make a new wire coming out of there that's longer, that's not all gone. And I have various wires. I bought wire from Show Me Cables and some off of Amazon. BNTE Chigo, some wire from there. That's silicone covered wire. Maybe the rats like that less. But these wires are too short to deal with, and I'm going to try to match the colors exactly from this old wiring harness. It's got a lot of different colors in here and a lot of length that I need, but for $30 for a used part of a wiring harness, you really can't go wrong, because you got this covering here, and then you cover that with, I'm using aluminum tape because apparently rats don't like to chew on aluminum. So that'll be great. You know, actually this one right here looks like a nice green one that I can use in this. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to inspect everything and start ripping this old wiring harness apart from this Celica. And then I may use temporarily are these Wago splicing, where they just click together temporarily to see if I got all the wires right. They're removable with no solder, so we might be using these where you just got a little lever and you pop it down, and then when you want to take it apart, you pop it up. So I want to make sure all my connections are correct. So I might be using these Wago lever nuts, and it's a 24 piece. These seem pretty small. I don't want to take up a lot of room there, but I do want to get the vehicle running and moved. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff that I think is proper to fix this. Here's a whole bunch of part numbers from this Corsa Technique, that these are the proper pins, connector pins for Toyota, where they lock into the connector plugs. They're called sealed socket connector pins. And I'm getting it, and I did a few test ones there that I had to say, oh, that ain't right. Or the wires were in there too far. The wire is actually only supposed to go up to the part where it gets crimped in there, not into the connector. That's what I did wrong first, is I put the wires too far in. I went too far in with the wires, so that maybe I thought the connector wouldn't go in. The wires just... And I'm having second thoughts about soldering, because no wires in cars are soldered. So I might go with these Glarks crimp connectors, and eventually, after I see that everything works with these Wago lever nuts, that everything's connected properly, we'll see how those work for just a little while until I solder or do whatever. But here's the first wires. I'm going to strip this wiring harness and get these way longer and with stripped ends. So we're going to try to match those wires. All right, thank you for watching. Fixing a wiring harness that got chewed by a rat. Thanks for watching.